Seth has a hard time getting out into the fields. He's a quadriplegic guy, he's a pretty good dude. He flies drones and he can't get out into the fields sometimes. So we're gonna put tank tracks. Put tank tracks on his rig so he can get out in the field and fly his drone, pick him up when he eats it. So we're taking a bunch of Chinese junk and we're gonna use the track and the drive wheel and the idle wheels, and we're gonna make a track setup for him. Yet another project on top of the other project, on top of the other project, on top of the other project, on top of all these projects. All right, we got the hub on. We had to make an adapter to fit the tank hub on. I'm not calling it a tank hub, but anyways, it's a track. So we got the track all mounted on. And so now we got to make a plate that goes in the back and another plate that goes here and an adjustment set up here and 2 shafts. But we got the hub all made for said tank tracks. Okay, we got all the garbage made for the tracks on Seth's deal here. So we're gonna have the 4x4 chairs right there. My buddy Dan, we're gonna pull that piece off later and make it bigger and put a bigger wheel, fatter wheel on it, so when he gets out in the real rough, it'll float on top better than that thing. That'll dig in, but he's gonna be 4x pretty soon.
Yeah.
Sorry, man.
Track that. Can you grab that track?
I can. We pulled all the stuff out, all the guts out of that thing, and yeah, we're gonna use them. Not use the guts, we're just gonna use the tracks because the guts suck. There you go. Okay, there it is, roughed out. Got everything just about mocked up on it. Just gotta do some welding and a few more little bits of machining here and there, and make some tensioners and stuff, and then my boy's gonna be 4x. Okay, there's the guts. Got everything built. We got all these little spreaders built.
The only thing that's missing is the bushings.
Yeah. We're not done with the bushings yet. We still have to have bushings that go in between there to hold it centered. But that's basically the whole apparatus, man. You know, better than the.
This
At least
goes
that
on
won't
the
leave them
inside.
stranded. Yeah. Those are the hubs, and then the attachment to the hard point there. And that all fits in. That's gonna weld in there.
Go for that.
Yes, sir. And then that'll bring the whole track in closer so you can get through doors, where this one here made it a whole bunch wider to where he couldn't get through doors. So yeah, we're done. Well, not done, getting close. Okay. We got the whole thing pretty much bolted on. We just gotta put it down and see if it works. The maiden voyage forward.
And we got power.
All right, let's see the first movement
I'm
of
gonna
the.
turn it down. We don't need a bunch of torque on it first thing.
Dude, that is cool, man. Well, it seems to be working.
It's definitely going to be a learning curve for him.
Good thing we put them tracks inwards more.